Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic of tampering with computer source documents under section 65 of the IT Act 2000. First of all, what is tampering with computer source documents? When a person intentionally conceals, destroys or alters a computer source code used for a computer program, computer system or computer network, the offense of tampering with computer source documents is established under section 65 of the IT Act. Second, it talks about it is intentionally or knowingly cause another to conceal, delete or modify any computer source code used for a computer program or computer system or computer network. The offense is established only when computer source code is needed to be retained or altered. When computer source code is maintained by the law of the being in force, the computer source code for the purpose of section 65 of the IT Act includes list of programs, computer commands, designs and layout, program analysis of computer resource in any form. The purpose of this section is to safeguard the computer's intellectual property, and it's an endeavor to protect electronic source documents beyond what the Copyright Act allows. This section has been expanded to include the Copyright Act, which permits firms to protect their program source code, and the IT Act stipulates through those offences which are punishable by life imprisonment or imprisonment for a term for more than 3 years or compoundable, bailable if the term of imprisonment is less than 3 years, or cognizable if the term of imprisonment is less than 3 years or more. This is all about this topic. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.